How can you ensure optimal vehicle performance and safety? This guide explores the digital standardization of inspections using eAuditor. Learn how to document findings, capture evidence, and track corrective actions effectively. The inspection evaluates critical vehicle systems to prevent breakdowns. It ensures safety and maintains efficiency. Objectives include identifying defects and maintaining compliance. Documentation supports preventive maintenance. It covers vehicle identification, engine systems, and more. Prepare inspections in eAuditor with a detailed checklist. Align with maintenance schedules and safety regulations. Use response types requiring comments for issues. Capture evidence with photos and videos. Assign and track corrective actions digitally. Verify vehicle identification details thoroughly. Inspect engine components for smooth operation. Check the drivetrain and transmission for issues. Document any damage with photographic evidence. Ensure all systems function without abnormal noises. Inspect brakes, suspension, and steering for proper function. Check tire tread and pressure for safety. Ensure wheels and cargo are secured. Test brakes and alignment responsiveness. Verify all safety-critical components are operational. Verify all lights and indicators are operational. Check electrical accessories like wipers and horn. Inspect fluids and filters for maintenance needs. Ensure safety equipment is accessible and functional. Confirm all systems meet safety standards. Through systematic inspections, you ensure vehicle safety and compliance. eAuditor helps document, track, and resolve issues efficiently. Enhance safety and reliability with continuous improvement.